Hello, and welcome to this Workforce ID Quick Start video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to check in a visitor with Workforce ID. To begin, navigate to the Visitors section of Workforce ID and click on Check In. There are two different ways to check visitors into Workforce ID. The first is with a walk-in visit, meaning that someone has just shown up and you want to add them into the system and then also check them in. The one that we'll be looking at here is for a pre-registered visitor. If a visitor is pre-registered, you should be able to use the search function at the top of the screen to search for the visitor. Once you've found the visitor that you're searching for, click on them, and then you'll need to complete any check-in steps for the visitor. This could include things like assigning access cards and printing badges, capturing the visitor's image, and maybe capturing a non-disclosure agreement and scanning their visitor ID. In this case, I've set it up so that none of that stuff is mandatory, but if it were, we would have to go down the checklist before we'd be able to check out the visitor. Since none of it is mandatory in this case, I can click Check Out, and then the visitor will be successfully checked in. If I were doing a walk-in visit, the process is pretty much the exact same thing. You go to the Visitors section, go to Check In, and then click on Walk-in Visit. The big difference is that you'll have to choose a host or sponsor for the visit. I'm going to choose myself. And then once you've done that, you'll have to set up all of the visitor information, just like you were creating a visit that was going to happen in the future. And once that's completed, you'll automatically be brought to that same check-in screen where you can do all of the check-in steps for your visitor. And that should be everything that you need to know in order to check visitors in Workforce ID.